Hey guys, it's Melody Lane. It's time for a mystery box, the December mystery box. You get a roll of holographic sparkle vinyl. Look, it's in 3 colors. You get 3 sheets of 12 by 24 and another roll of holographic sparkle vinyl. This is gold. You get 12 by 48. That's 4 feet of vinyl in this roll. Another roll of holographic vinyl. 3 sheets of 12 by 24. Let's open it up and look at the colors. So in that roll, you get all of these colors. Aren't they pretty? Look. You get peacock pens, gel pens. I love the gel pens. They're my favorite. And look, they match my hair. You get a Rotary Blade Kit. This is for people who have the maker. It's an extra blade for your rotary blade. Even comes with a little screwdriver. You also get the bonded fabric point blade. This works on the Explore machines and the Cricut maker. And last but not least, fabric. You can use this for so many different things. It's fabric. This one's rose gold. And this is the Creative Rockstar sampler. It's 12 by 26 inches of fabric. Isn't it beautiful? And you get the arrows. You get hearts. And a floral pattern. So cool. This is Callie's favorite. And polka dots in rose gold. All right, now this box is $39.99, and you can use my code Melody Lane and get 10% off and free shipping if you add a little bit to your cart. My code only works when you have $50 in your subtotal, and then 10% off for access. That discounts it more, and my code discounts it more, so you don't actually have to pay $50. And you'll get free shipping if you can use my code. The link is in the description. I do get a small commission only when you use my link, not my code. My code is just a gift for you to save money. If you want to be notified of my mystery boxes, click the link in below for my email. Sign up for my email, because as soon as the mystery boxes are released, I send out an email to everybody on that list. Make sure you're on the list so you don't miss out, because these usually sell out pretty quickly. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have an absolutely beautiful Christmas. Happy holidays. Happy New Year. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.